Hello everyone! Today I'm going to change the LCD of Sony Ericsson XA Ultra. Let's start! So this is the new LCD, guys. So first we're going to start at the back. We have to remove this back cover. We're going to use this one. Okay. And then next, we're going to remove the screwdriver, the screws, using this one. We have two kinds of screws here. We have the black one. It's a little bit bigger than the other one. We have the silver one. It's a smaller screw, but we use the same screwdriver to remove it. Okay, now we're going to remove this part. Okay, now let's start to remove and disconnect all the flex. Okay, first of all, when it's open, we have to remove first the battery, which is this one. Okay, and then let's disconnect the LCD flex. And now we're going to try the new LCD and let's see if it works. And then the battery. Okay, we're going to turn it on. There's no battery. So now I have turned on the phone and we're going to see if the LCD is good. Again, we're going to remove first the flex of the battery and then the LCD. Let's put it aside. So now we have to remove this part. All of the Sony Ericsson mobile phones, if we're going to remove the LCD, we have to remove the back and then this side. So I have removed this where the on and off button are and the volume, and the other side also as well. So now I have to remove this part, and now we're going to remove this part. Okay, this is the buzzer of the phone, and then we remove the battery. We're going to use this one again, and let's lift up the battery. Let's set this aside, and now remove the flex of the LCD. And then we have to lift up this part. It's not really necessary to remove all the board of the phone, okay? Just lift this part, the lower part of the board, and then we're going to remove the LCD. Alcohol to loosen up the glue of the LCD. Let's put it around the edges carefully. It has to be 100% alcohol so it won't damage your phone. You can also add more alcohol if it's needed. Okay, so before putting the new LCD, we have to clean the chassis because there's a glue on it, or maybe if there's some pieces of broken glass. So we have to clean this very carefully. You can also use the alcohol so you can loosen up the glue. Oops. So it's already clean. And now we're going to use this glue. Okay, this is a special glue for mobile phones, for LCD. Okay, but don't forget to remove this part because the new LCD is hollow. There's nothing on it. Okay, so that's why I told you to be careful on that part. So we're going to remove that one. With a piece of small cloth, we're going to clean the crystal. And now we're going to put it here. This is the new LCD. let's pour small amount of the glue. And remember, we only have to put the glue in this upper part and the lower part. And this side, it's not really necessary to put glue, okay? And also be careful to not put the glue on this side, on this part, because of the earpiece. Okay, now we're going to put this flex of the LCD here. Be careful on the other side. Make sure the LCD is fit. Okay, now we're going to remove this one and connect the flex. Okay, so connect the flex and then let's put the battery. So this is the flex of the battery and this is the flex of the LCD. Let's try if it's work. Ta-da! Great! So there's 1% of the battery. So I have put the buzzer and this is the flex of the battery and the LCD. Okay, and then next we're going to put this part. So I've already put everything here, and then we're going to put back the screws. The black ones, okay, is on this part. And then the silver ones is on this part. You have to remember where are all those screws, because we have different sizes of screws. Okay, there's bigger and there's smaller. Okay, so next is we're going to put the back cover. Gently, okay? Be careful of your LCD. Done! Here you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!